Ever heard of habeas corpus? No? Don't worry, you're not alone. In a hearing on May 20th, 2025, Secretary Noem struggled to define habeas corpus during testimony. It's one of the most powerful legal rights in history, yet so few people understand it. Today, at 99rights_online, we are breaking it down along with explaining recent controversies. So what does it mean? Habeas corpus is Latin for "you shall have the body," referring to bringing a detained person before a judge, which also means you can demand a court review if the government locks you up unfairly. It's the legal safeguard that keeps people from being jailed without proof. And guess what? The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled on huge habeas corpus cases that changed history. Habeas corpus is a fundamental legal principle that protects individuals from unlawful imprisonment. It allows a person to challenge their detention and demand government justification before a court. What about key legal issues that have shaped some major Supreme Court cases? Stick with us, we're breaking it all down. First we have protection against unlawful detention. This ensures individuals aren't held without legal justification. Then we have judicial review of government actions. This is where courts can examine whether arrests violate constitutional rights. Finally, we have limits on executive power. This is a big one, because it prevents officials from detaining individuals arbitrarily or for political reasons. Now let's look at some landmark Supreme Court cases. Boumediene v. Bush, 2008. The court ruled Guantanamo detainees have the right to habeas corpus, even outside U.S. territory. Hamdi v. Rumsfeld, 2004. U.S. citizens labeled as enemy combatants must be allowed to challenge detention. Ex parte Milligan, 1866. Military tribunals cannot try civilians when civilian courts are operational. Brown v. Allen, 1953. State prisoners can seek federal relief if constitutional rights were violated. Duncan v. Walker, 2001. Clarified rules for filing. So you can see the importance of habeas corpus in our society. Habeas corpus is essential for democracy and ensuring government accountability to prevent abuse of power by officials. Fair trials ensures no imprisonment without due process. It also provides human rights protections that are used globally to fight wrongful imprisonment. Habeas corpus remains a powerful legal tool in modern legal battles and remains crucial, especially in cases like immigration, such as the Trump administration considering suspending habeas corpus to speed up deportations. National security, with challenges to indefinite detention under terrorism laws, and its use in death row appeals and wrongful convictions. Inmates use habeas corpus to challenge unfair sentences. Habeas corpus has helped overturn wrongful convictions with new DNA evidence. Habeas corpus remains one of the strongest protections against government overreach. Like this? If you found this helpful and inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with friends and family. Smash that like button, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at 99rights_online for more legal quickies. Catch you later. And remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep fighting for what's right. See you next time.